Assalamu alaikum. Welcome. We all are striving for a life filled with purpose, peace, and abundance. We want the best career, the perfect family, and financial stability. But we want it all with barakah, blessing. You may have experimented with self-help trend like the law of attraction, where the focus is purely on your own thought or vibration. But as Muslim, we often feel a conflict. How do we achieve our deepest desire without compromising our faith? How do we manifest success in a halal way? Today we are revealing the authentic halal manifestation blueprint, a divine strategy centered on Tawheed, oneness of God. This formula is powerful, ethical, and guarantees the lasting blessing that mere visualization can never provide. Part 1. The Foundation, the Power of Pure Niyyah. The journey of halal manifestation began not with a vision board but with your niyyah, intention. This is the bedrock of our success. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us actions are only by intention, and every man shall have but that which he intended. 1. Aligning with niyyah. If you want wealth, your intention shouldn't just be to acquire wealth, but to use that money to serve Allah, to give charity, support your family generously, and strengthen the family community. When your intention is pure, your desire transforms from worldly want into an act of ibadah, worship. This is the first step in unlocking the halal race. Tawheed, the source of all power. In law of attraction, the creative force is often nebulous, the universe. In halal manifestation, the creative force is singular and absolute. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, everything we seek from Him alone. This shifts our reliance from a limited ego to His infinite power. Acknowledge that the power to grant or withhold is exclusively His. This frees from heart from anxiety. Key takeaway, though your desire must be rooted in an ethical, permissible framework. If a desire is haram, no amount of wishing will bring barakah. Part 2. The code tools, dua, supplication as your ultimate manifestation. If intention is the foundation, dua, supplication is the most powerful tools for manifestation. Dua is a direct, unfiltered conversation with the King of Kings. All promises, call upon me, I will respond to you. Dua with yaqeen, conviction. Do not pray with doubt. Pray with the absolute certainty, yaqeen, that Allah has the power to grant your request immediately or replace it with something infinitely better. This strong conviction is what empowers your dua far beyond mere wishful thinking. The adequates of power. To maximize the effectiveness of your dua, to make it a powerful manifestation tool, follow the sunnah. Praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala before asking. Send salutation upon the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Be consistent, especially during preferred time like tahajjud or between adhan and iqama. Pray with intensity. Express your need with sincerity and humility, knowing you are utterly dependent on Him. The prophetic manifestation. Remember, dua is one of the few things that can alter what has been decreed. Accept the final and absolute decree. When you use dua, you are actively engaging with your destiny, asking for the best outcome for both this life and the next. This is the highest form of ethical, divinely approved manifestation. The action, amal, efforts, and ethical earning. Halal manifestation is not passive, it depends amal, action, and ihsan, excellence. The famous advice of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ apply here. Tie your camel and then rely upon Allah. The halal work ethic. If you desire wealth, you must work hard, acquire skill, plan diligently, and pursue opportunities ethically. If you desire health, you must actively care for your body. The manifestation process is incomplete without effort. We are judged not just on a result but on the quality and sincerity of our effort. Ihsan, the quality of excellence. Strive for ihsan in all your action. This means performing your work as if you see Allah, and even though you cannot see Him, knowing that He sees you. This commitment to excellence ensures that the risk you acquire is not just abundant but also of the highest halal quality, which is essential for barakah. Avoiding haram manifestation. Be cautious of the method employed in general law of attraction that may involve haram element, haram earnings, manifesting money through unethical or forbidden sources, interest or fraud, haram intention, seeking power or wealth purely out of arrogance, greed or to harm others. Halal manifestation require that you means yani amal must be as pure as your goal. Part 4, the mindset, tawakkul, reliance and barakah. After setting your intention, making sincere dua and exerting maximum effort, the final and most liberating step is tawakkul, complete reliance on Allah. The freedom of tawakkul. Tawakkul is the antidote to anxiety. You understand that the outcome is decided by qadr, divine degree. If the result matches your desire, you show shukr. If it does not, you practice sabr and know that Allah has averted a harm or prepare a greater good for you. This certainly removes the worry and despair often felt when law of attraction fail. Husn ad-dhan billah, positive expectation. This is the true mental visualization. Always hold a positive expectation of Allah. Believe that He is looking after you and only degree that what is best. This positive frame of mind is what naturally attract good outcomes and peace. The Barakah guarantee. The ultimate goal of halal manifestation is not just risk but barakah, blessing in the quantity. A small amount of money with barakah can fulfill more needs and bring more happiness than huge amount earned without Allah's blessing. Taqwa, God consciousness, is the key to barakah. Allah promises, and whoever fear Allah, He will make for him a way out and will provide for him from where he does not expect. Friends, halal manifestation is not secret. It is the fundamental teaching of our faith. It is the most complete and ethical success blueprint ever devised. This formula is clear. Pure niyyah plus sincere dua plus halal amal effort plus absolute tawakkul is equal to success with barakah. Friend, listen. Pure niyyah plus sincere dua plus halal amal yani efforts plus absolute tawakkul is equal to success with barakah. Friends, stop chasing fleeting, non-guarantee method. Adopt this divine blueprint and transform your life with success, peace and lasting blessing. Start your halal manifestation journey today. May Allah grant us all barakah in our effort. Khuda Hafiz.